Hello. The learning intention of this screencast is to teach you how to download your Kami and attach it to Google Classroom. Let's pretend that I have my entire assignment completed and I'm ready to submit it. I'm going to select the download icon, which is it looks like a down arrow on your toolbar. It's going to ask you how you would like to export. I export to Google Drive with annotations. You're going to click on the button that says Begin Export. Google Drive with annotations, Begin Export. It's going to process, and then it's going to say the file has been successfully saved to Google Drive. We'll go ahead and leave it like that. Now, to upload a file to Google Classroom, I'm going to play this video for you. You're probably not going to be able to hear it. We're just going to... So you can upload your file to an assignment. It says that in the top right-hand corner, when you're in the assignment, there's an Add or Create button. You're going to click Add or Create. Then you're going to click Google Drive. By default, when you select Google Drive, it'll open your most recent document. So since we just downloaded the file from Kami, it should show up right here. If for some reason it's not showing up in recent, you can go to My Google Drive and you'll be able to upload anything that you have in your drive. You can select multiple files by holding down Shift and dragging your mouse around several files. So this is a demo showing several uploads. Your files will upload and then you're going to see images of your completed assignment. Once you see the picture of your completed work downloaded from Kami, you're going to press Turn In. It's the blue button on the bottom. It'll say, hey, are you sure you want to hand in the work with this attachment? And then you say Turn In. Sorry, this is a British example, so instead of turn in, it says hand in, but it's the same thing.